Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So today we are going to talk a little about skills in cloud that is really important part of cloud. After that we are going to talk about connectors and after that we are going to talk about plugins. But today we're going to explain completely what is skills and how does it work and why cloud has created it and why is it efficient and practical for us. So stay tuned. I will explain completely. 361 Tech. Subscribe this channel, send this video to your friends, and so save it and use it, and see you soon again with other videos. So stay tuned and let's get started. Listen to me carefully because we are going to explore it. We are going to choose different things, do different things with it, and compare different options that you can see in cloud, but sometimes you don't have it in other LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, or other ones. So I think that's sometimes worth because yesterday I was working with it and really I was surprised. And so let's get started, guys. First of all, we are going to open Claude. When you open Claude, you can. Okay, I have to bring the microphone closer, I think, because like that. Okay, and when you sign in Claude, I come here. When I sign in Claude, you have a page here that first of all you have to know here. Okay, a lot of different options. You don't know what to do and how to start and where to start, especially. But as you know, new chat is like the chats, like LLMs. You can chat your chats that you have done before. Okay, you pass projects. You can open some projects that then we will talk about. They are. I think this part is not really important, but this part, the customize, is the most important one. As you can see, I'm in free plan. I'm not in paid plan or something like that. I open customize. After opening customize, you will see some different things here. Okay, you have skills, you have connectors, and you have plugins. First, we are going to talk about skills. What is skills? Okay, if I want to tell you what is a skill, this section, skills, is exactly like second memory. You have a memory in all LLMs. I teached before, and but now it will be the second one. Sometimes, as you know, when you're working with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, each time you have to explain what you want to do, what is your purpose, and what is your goal. You have to explain a lot, and it is not boring. It is, makes you exhausted, and you cannot tolerate it, and it annoys you each time you open ChatGPT. For example, you want to write a scenario for your page. Each time you have to tell it what to do, what not to do. But here you have a skill. When you open a skill, there are a lot of you can explain all different. You can add a skill. After adding a skill, it is not necessary to explain Claude to what to do and what not to do. Each time you can choose the skill that you have made before and you can use it, as I said, like a second memory. Okay, we have a page here on a skills. We can have add. You can create with Claude. Now you can write a skill instruction. You can upload a skill. Upload a skill. So which one do you want to do? Or you can browse. There are some templates here that we will talk then about them. So now we want to add. We want to write a skill instruction. I recommend you to do it first. Well, for example, we name this one scenario. Okay. Before doing it, we can we can come here to explain, for example, to another page. We will have another one. For example, we can go to ChatGPT. It's easier. Sometimes working with different ones. Free plan sometimes. Uh, in new chat, we will come to a new chat and we will explain. I want you, I want to write an skill in cloud, and I want you to help me in some different parts. First, I will send you the screenshot, and I want you help me to write a skill step by step. Okay? If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, I will come here. I will screenshot, and I will upload it here. And I tell it, let it go. Okay, it is explaining in Persian because before that I did it. Okay. Okay, before starting, I want to exactly, I want how it could understand really. What scenario builder? Maybe I explained before, but yes, because I made an agent yesterday. But you can explain here, okay? You can ask what to write for the name. Okay, I want to write another skill. Let me do something, okay? Let me do here. I want to write a scenario for not a scenario. I want to write a skill for asking asking and analyzing my business plan. Okay, let's do this one. I want to create an skill in cloud. It should help me to write great business plans. Okay, it should ask me before some questions. After that, I will and I will upload some PDF files. It should help to explore inside this PDF, this text, and other things. And it should be exactly like a business coach to help me write a great scenario, to write a great business plan for my startup. It will be a new one and it will be better, I think. We're waiting for answering. Yes. Okay. Okay. As you can see, ChatGPT is really intelligent. Okay. But each time you have to you have to tell this one. The name will be Startup Business Coach. Copy this one. We will bring it here and we will paste it here. Okay. The second part is this one. Easily we can do that. Again, we will bring this one, complete explanation. You can, I don't read it now, but I can see that first interview me by asking questions one by one about startup name problems and other ones. Step two, these, step three. And as you can see, I think it could get us what we want. And that's enough for us for creating a skill. Okay. And we will test it also. Here, we will bring copy and paste it here and finished. Okay, instruction, skill name, description about the skill that we are going to create, and instructions. Okay, this is the complete instruction that we have written just by speaking with ChatGPT, or you can do it with Claude too. Okay, let's save it, create. After creating it, in we come back, you can see that we have a startup business plan coach here. And if we exit, I delete it too. I want you how to use it. You come to customize. You will choose startup business plan coach. You will see here, it should be turned on and you can click here and try in chat. When you do this, now you can try it in the chat because it is on. Try it in chat. Sometimes by clicking in the slash, turn it off. This one, edit with cloud, replace, download. No, try it. Now I think we can try it, but we can do that also. Slash startup business plan coach. It is better because maybe sometimes you have 10 skills but you want to use just one of them. Okay. So as a result, In this part, you have to call it. If you don't call it, also because it is on, it can use this skill too. But I prefer to turn it on. And I will come to add something here. I prefer to choose one because I have a big screen. Sometimes I have a lot of different files that I want to choose. Okay, let's continue, guys. Uh, really, I'm going to give one market research and business model to this uh, skill that we have made. They are real ones. Maybe it takes time to read them. It was that I have uploaded. It was the business model, and this is, but they are in French ones. Okay, I don't give it any other instructions, but I will answer some maybe questions because it was inside of skills to ask me some different questions, and we will answer a lot of different questions about this business model and this market research. And after that, we will have a complete business plan. So in this part, let's analyze, and the skill that we have made before, it will do it. It makes, it takes some times and we have to wait some time. Reading step by step because also it is in French. I check my phone again. All the time creating skills save times for you, save a lot of time. Each time you're not supposed to explain to LLMs what to do. Okay, it says j'ai bien de. It's in French. We have to answer some questions as you can see each time. Okay, I wanted to tell it because my PDFs they were French language. So either on concepts, for exclusive pitch, we see business angels, je sais pas encore. At the end, I will tell it to translate it in English. The real one, the real startup that I'm working on in the business plan for the government of the France, and it is the real one. So I do them mostly with AI because, as you can see, vision, problem, solution, but le marché, it's the market. I wanted to say in Persian it is bazaar. That's it, like that. Model economic model, as you can say. Advantages. I don't know this word honestly. Uh, State actual about the first year, the revenue, first year, second year. Équipe is our team, and besoin de financement. Uh, it means need the investment. What I ask it, I want you to create it uh, in English and French and give me the final. We use Give me the final version in English and French. Be careful to be complete one, not the brief one. I wanted you to write a business plan. Sometimes, because we are creating a skill, we have to come back again. How? Here. I run it, but I will come here. I will go to customize again. I will come here and I will put here and I will edit my skills. Maybe I have forgotten something, or I want to add something, or I want to do different things in addition. Little by little, maybe it takes some weeks to create a great skills, not only for you, maybe for your friends. You can download this skill and you can send it to your friends or your team members to use this skill completely. As a result, it can be a great strategy for avoiding to repeat each one, to repeat it each time. So I close it. I think if I close it, it is doing it. As you can see, just with another one, creating a file. I explained here, but it was better to copy it and paste it inside the skill that we had uh, in that part. So you have to wait. And the most important part is here. Is you can see the complete things that it has written for us. The summary, everything is visualized here. That's the perfect one, and you can choose, as you can see, you can choose what, for example, la solution. For example, this section, I want to tell Cloud it is working now. But I can tell Cloud if I add it, I can edit it here. I can change it here. I can see it here now. That's the positive point. And really, I think sometimes I prefer to use Claude instead of ChatGPT. Is like that. You have this part for editing some different things in ChatGPT, but uh, here in skills, it is special one. I think you will have a better feeling when you are using it. You feel more professional. I hope OpenAI release a new model as soon as possible because cloud is working very well sometimes in these days. Just I want for the last step, I want to stay here to see the exact results, to show you the exact results that with this kind of building skills you can sometimes one time explain everything and at the end get the results, not each time. Because of this we are here. Okay, it is checking English title page, so thank you Cloud for doing it. Okay, you can see the docs here, as we said. Give me the file. You can see we have a lot of different things here. We can download it. We can directly save it in our drive because I have connected it before. We can download it. The most important part. I downloaded it, and then I can modify it. I can edit it. I can add a lot of different things. And after now, I have a skill that I can create great business plans with it. For the next session, we are talking about connectors and plugins. So stay tuned and see you soon again.